How to find offline mode on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find offline mode on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and now click enable this one. Here you will find it. You can enable it just by one click and you can disable it again, and that's it. And as you see here you will find it in settings here in preferences, and that's it. And as you see, that's how to find offline mode settings on Deezer. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.